Recording in progress.
Good morning, guys. All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm. Please confirm in chat box. All are getting my screen and voice.
Yes, we can hear you.
Right. Fine. So let me start my Linux virtual machine. I think yesterday I have seen some of the messages in Putty, some of the people are not getting browse option like that. Guys, you guys are not required to wait for that. We have other approaches. Right? We have the Git bash is there. Right? Git bash is very easy one. You guys can continue for time being with Git bash. Okay. Fine. Right, my PEM file is available in the downloads folder. That's why I switch it to downloads folder. From here, I'm going to connect with the Linux virtual machine. If you want to connect with the Linux virtual machine, we need SSH, guys. So for that, I'm going to take that SSH command from here. Select the VM and click on connect button. Here you will get the SSH command. And copy this SSH command and go to the terminal. Here paste that SSH command. Enter. So now we have connected to the Linux virtual machine. Fine. So yesterday what we discussed, guys? Yesterday just we discussed how to create the directory files. So let me open the yesterday class notes. What we discussed in last session, how to create the directory files. In Linux, everything will be represented as files only. We have two types of files in Linux. One is the directory files, second one is the normal text files. Okay, and if you want to know currently you are in which directory, then we need to use pwd command. pwd stands for present working directory. It will give the complete path of the present working directory, guys. Next, if you want to know, right, so who is the current user, which user is connected, for that we need to use who am I command. It will give the user, guys, current user it will give. Next, if you want to create the directory file, we need to use mkdir command. Mkdir stands for make directory. So if you want to go inside the directory, then we need to use cd command. If you want to come out from the directory, then we need to use cd space dot dot. If you want to go two steps forward, means two directories, directory and subdirectory, two directories if you want to go, then we need to use cd space, right? Okay, if you want to come out two directories, guys, right, cd space dot dot slash dot dot. If you want to go two directories, guys, right, directory name 1 slash directory name 2. So like this, we need to give, guys. So these are the commands which we discussed in last session, guys. Okay, fine. So now here, right, guys. So now here, I want to remove the directories, guys. Here if you see, you can see the directories which you have created in last session. How you can see ls command. By using ls command, we can see the list of files in present working directory, whether it is directory files or normal text files. It will list out all the available files, guys. Enter. So yesterday we have created AWS, DevOps, f1.txt, Java. So these are the files which we have created in yesterday's session. Now I want to remove the directory. If you want to remove the directory, then which command we need to use, guys? We need to use rmdir. RMDIR stands for remove directory. Here, how many directory files are there? AWS is the directory file, DevOps is the directory file, Java is the directory file. And here, if you want to create the directory file, mkdir you are using. If you want to change the directory, cd command you are using. Now, I want to remove the directory. Whatever the existing directory is there, that directory I want to remove. Then which command we need to give? We need to give RMDIR command. RMDIR stands for remove directory. RMDIR space directory name. I am going to give DevOps. RMDIR DevOps I am giving. I want to remove this DevOps directory file. See, RMDIR DevOps I am giving it here. Enter. See, now you can check our DevOps directory is removed or not. How you can check? By using ls command. ls. Now, do you have the DevOps here? No. DevOps directory got removed from here. So now, let me remove AWS also. Let me remove AWS also. RMDIR AWS. RMDIR AWS. Enter. Oh my God, it is not deleting. Why guys? What it is telling? Failed to remove AWS. Why it is failed? It is not empty directory. By using RMDIR, you can delete only empty directories guys. By using RMDIR, you can delete only empty directories. But here, I want to delete non-empty directories. Non-empty means what? Inside AWS directory, we have something. Right? Some more directories or files are available. That's why it is telling directory not empty. It is telling guys. Okay. By using RMDIR, what we can do? We can delete only empty directories. If you want to delete non-empty directories, then RMDIR will not work. Then RMDIR will not work guys. Then which command we need to use? See guys, RM stands for remove. -R AWS. What is -R stands for? Recursively. I want to delete AWS directory recursively. Recursive means what? Directory, subdirectories. Right? It will delete all inside things also. Inside the AWS directory, whatever we have, those things, and inside that, whatever we have, those things, and inside that, whatever we have, those things, one by one, everything it will delete. So that is called as recursive deletion. Okay. If you want to delete empty directories, RMDIR will work. If you want to delete non-empty directories, then RMDIR will not work. We need to go for RM-R. -R stands for recursively. I want to delete directories, subdirectories, everything I want to delete. Then we need to use -R. Enter. Now you can check ls. See guys, do you have that AWS? No. AWS also got deleted here. See, we have deleted again. Java is a directory. If you want to delete Java directory, Java is empty. Nothing is there inside that. Then you can use RMDIR only. RMDIR Java, you can use it here. Enter. Enter guys. So now you can check what we have. See, only f1.txt file is available. So like this, if you want to delete empty directories, RMDIR we need to use. If you want to delete non-empty directories, then RM-R we need to use guys. Okay, fine. So next guys, let me add these things also in our notes. To delete empty directories, empty directories, what we need to do? To delete empty directory file, or else you can take directory file. What we are using here? Here we are using RMDIR and here directory name. RMDIR directory name. Example. RMDIR space right here. AWS is the directory only. DevOps is the directory. So next here RMDIR Java is the directory. Like this we have deleted. So now to to delete non-empty directories. Guys, 1 minute. Right. Here now I want to delete the non-empty directories, guys. To delete non-empty directory file. Non-empty directory file. For this, what we need to do? See guys, here rmdir -r here we need to give directory name we need to give. So now here example you can take. See guys, rmdir, sorry, rm guys, not rmdir, just rm. Here we need to give rm and -r and file name here we need to give AWS. Directory file name we need to give like this guys. Observe carefully. To delete the empty directories we need to use rmdir. To delete the non-empty directories we need to use rm guys. Like this we can delete the directory files. We can delete the directory files. Perfect. Guys, till now we have seen how to create the directory files, how to go inside the directory files, how to come out from the directory files, and how to delete the directory files. I hope you guys are clear about the directory files. Now I want to create the text files guys. I want to create the text files. To create text files, and what commands are available? How many ways we have to create the normal text files? Observe carefully. And we have multiple ways guys. To create the normal text files, we have multiple ways. What ways are available? See guys, in Linux, right, we can create right, text files, right, in multiple ways guys. In multiple ways. Guys, till now we worked with the directory files. Now what I am going to do, I want to create the normal text files. To create the normal text files, we have multiple approaches guys. What ways are there? So one is by using touch command we can create. Second one, by using cat command we can create. Third one, by using vim command we can create. Vim or vi command. Vim command also we can create, etc. So like this, we have several ways are there to create the normal text files guys. Right? If you want to create the directory file, we have mkdir command. If you want to create normal text file, we have multiple ways. By using touch command we can create, by using cat command we can create, by using vim command also we can create. So then when we will go for which approach? When we will go for which approach guys? That we will discuss one by one guys. Now by using touch command we can create only empty files. If you want to create the empty files, then you need to go for the touch command guys. You need to go for the touch command. By using touch command we can't able to create a file with the data. We can't create a file with the data. We can create only empty files by using touch command guys. By using touch command. Okay, see guys, now here by using touch command, and we can create only empty files. We can create only empty files. So now create a single empty file guys. See guys, how to create that we'll see guys. Now here, see guys, what we can do by using touch, we can create the empty file. See, touch, and here I am going to use f2.txt. f2.txt. Guys, this .txt is not mandatory. Just I have given like this guys. Right, for naming convenience, we have given like .txt, but it is not right. So recommended to, not required to give this .txt. Directly you can give f1, f2, f3 also you can give. Right here, by using touch command, we are giving one empty file, that is f2.txt. Now you can see this. Now here you can run ls command. See what commands are there? f1.txt and f2.txt. These two are empty files. Means there is no data inside these two files. There is no data inside these two files. Just we have created empty files by using touch command. Okay, I want to create multiple files, guys. Multiple files at a time, multiple empty files at a time. Is it possible? Yes, we can do, guys. How you will do? Touch command at f3.txt at space f4.txt f4.txt like this space f5.txt. See, guys, with the space separator you can give any file names, guys. With the space separator you can give any file names. Now I am going to create three empty files, f3, f4, f5. Already we have two. Now I am creating three more empty files here. Now run. See, guys, now you can check ls. See, total how many files are there? f1.txt, f2.txt, f3.txt, f4.txt, f5.txt. So like this, multiple normal text files is created. Right here, if you want to create the empty file, then we will go for the touch command. By using touch command, we can create the empty files. Empty files means there is no database. Okay, perfect. So now I want to create a file with the data. I want to create a file with the data. Then what we need to do? We can use cat command for that. We can use cat command. By using cat command, we can create the file with the data, guys. By using cat command, multiple things we can do, guys. Right? We can print the data by using cat command. Right? Suppose my file contains some data. Right? You can print that data by using cat command. And you can create a file with the data also by using cat command, guys. Two things, guys. Right? You can print the data which is available inside the file. Second one is you can create a file with the data by using this cat command. How, guys? See here, cat. So now I want to check, is there any data is available inside f1.txt? For that, cat space f1.txt. And if this f1.txt contains any data, then this cat command will print the data on this terminal. Cat command will print the data on this terminal. If it is not there, it won't print anything. Enter. See, guys, here it is not printing anything. It is not printing anything. Means inside f1.txt file there is no data. What about f2? Cat space f2.txt. f2.txt. Here also we don't have any data. That's why it is not printing, guys. Guys, observe carefully. Here what we are doing, right? We are trying to print the data which is available in these files by using cat command. But so in these files there is no data. That's why it is not printing anything. Now I want to create a new file with the data. How you can do, guys? See, cat space this greater than symbol. This greater than symbol. Now here f6.txt I am giving. Tell me here, do you have the f6.txt file? f6.txt file is available? Not available. Suppose if f6.txt already available, then what it will do? Whenever you are using this greater than symbol, right, it will override the data in f6.txt file. Suppose already f6.txt file is there, inside that some data is available. Now whenever you are trying to do this one, what it will do? It will override the data in the f6.txt file. See, here I have given, suppose if f6.txt not available, then it will create this. It will create new f6.txt file. Now just press enter. Here you got the prompt to enter the data. And what data you want to keep inside f6.txt file, write the data. Here you got the prompt. Now here I am going to write the data. Hello friends. Hello friends, good morning. Good morning and welcome to Linux sessions. Welcome to Linux sessions, guys. Like this I have taken. So this is the data which I am writing inside f6.txt file. Inside f6.txt file, this is the data which I am going to write. Currently, we are inside the file. We are writing the data. Now, I want to save the data and come out from the file. I want to save the data and come out from the file. For that, here what we need to do? Just press Ctrl C. Just press Ctrl C. Now, the data is saved in the file and you came out from the file. Observe carefully, guys. If you use cat space file name, then it will print the data which is available inside the file. If you want to write the data inside the file, then you need to use cat space, this greater than symbol, and the file name you need to use. Okay. So now here, just run ls. f6.txt also created. Earlier, this f6.txt is not there. Now, this f6.txt file also created it here. Now, I want to see the data which is available in f6.txt. For that, which command we need to use? Cat command. Cat, right here, f6.txt. Cat f6.txt. What this command is doing? Right, it is going to print the data which is available in the f6.txt. It is going to print the data on terminal which is available in this f6.txt. Enter. See guys, here it is printing. Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Linux sessions. Earlier also you tried to print the data which is available in f1.txt. But here we didn't get any data, means there is no data. Same cat f2.txt. Here also we didn't get any data, so there is no data in f2.txt also. Now here what we are doing? We are checking f6.txt. If data is available in the f6.txt, then it will print the data like this. If it is not there, then it won't print anything. Okay. So now in same file, I am going to write some more data, guys. In same file, I want to write some more other data. For that, cat, again, greater than symbol. What is the file name? F6. Already F6 is created. So, if it is not there, then cat command will create new file. If it is already there, then cat command will write the data inside that file. So, now I am going to use f6.txt only again. Enter. Here, I am writing the data. Hello. Welcome to AWS sessions. Welcome to AWS sessions. I am writing it here. Okay. So now we'll see. Now, if you want to save the file, what we need to do? Control C. Okay. Fine. So now what this command will do, guys? It will override the data. Now, if you check, you won't get hello friends, good morning, and welcome to Linux session. This data is gone. And in this place, so this data is overridden. Hello, welcome to AWS session is overridden. Earlier, whatever the data is available, on top of that only this data is overridden. So this old data is gone. Old data is not available in f6.txt. New data only available. Why? Because here we are using greater than symbol. This greater than symbol will override the data in the file. It is not appending, guys. It is not appending. It will override the data with existing, guys. Now here you can check cat f6.txt. See guys, you are getting hello, welcome to AWS sessions. Hello, welcome to AWS sessions. You are getting. You are not getting old data. Oh no, I want both, man. I want both. Right, old data I want and a new data also I want. Now in the file, welcome to AWS sessions is there. Along with that, I want to add some more data also in that file. Already we have the data which is welcome to AWS sessions. Along with this, I want some more data I want to add in the f6.txt file. For that, what we need to do? Observe carefully here. Now, cat, guys, old data is required and new data also I need, guys. For that, cat, double greater than symbol we need to use. Single greater than is for overriding. Double greater than is for appending, guys. Now, double greater than symbol I am using f6.txt. Now here, hello friends, welcome to Java sessions. Welcome to Java sessions. I am taking it here. Enter. Okay, so now Control C. Here you can check, guys. Now what data is available? Oh, sorry guys, wrong file I have given. Just 6.txt. Okay, So now cat double greater than right f6 dot txt I have given enter. So here I am giving right welcome to right, Java sessions. Welcome to Java sessions and welcome to Python sessions. Python sessions like this I have given. Now control C. Now you can check it guys. What data is available in f6.txt guys. Now you should get this new data and you should get this old data also. Both you should get guys. Why? Here we are using double greater than symbol. What double greater than symbol will do? It won't override the existing data. It will append the data guys. It will append the data. Now we'll check. Right here cat f6.txt cat f6.txt. See guys, hello, welcome to AWS sessions, welcome to Java sessions, welcome to Python sessions. Old data is available and new data also available at here. If you use single greater than, then it will override. If you use double greater than, then it will append guys. Okay, perfect. So now observe carefully. Here what files are available? So these are the files are available. Let me delete the 6.txt guys. Now rm right 6.txt. So ls. See guys, we have f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, f6 files are available. And in these 6 files, we have data in only f6.txt. Remaining 5 files, we don't have data. Okay. So now whatever the data is available in the f6.txt, that complete data I want write in f5.txt. I want copy in f5.txt. First, before going to do that, let me check is there any data is available in f5.txt. And how you will check cat f5.txt. Enter. See guys, here we don't have any data in the f5.txt. Now in the f6 guys, cat f6.txt. This is the data is available in f6.txt. Now I want to write this data in f5.txt. I don't know what data is available in f6. Whatever it is there, everything I want to write in f5.txt. How you will write? How you will write? For that, see guys, observe very carefully. Here I am going to use two commands. Cat f6.txt. Cat f6.txt. Whenever you have given f6.txt, what this command will do? This command will print the data. This command will print the data on the terminal which is available in f6.txt. It will give some output. This command will give some output. Now what I am doing? Okay, so don't print the data on this terminal. Right? Don't print the data on the terminal. Rather than here I am using f5.txt. Means what guys? Whatever the output this command will give, right? Write that output in the f5.txt. Here I am using greater than symbol. What greater than symbol will do? Right here, whatever it is returning, that it will write in the f5.txt. And by the time, if f5.txt file contains any data, what will happen? Overriding. Overriding guys. Why? Here we are using single greater than symbol. So now, whatever the data is available in the f6.txt, take the data and write in the f5.txt file. Now check it once. Enter. Okay. Now let me check. Now, is there any data in f5.txt file or not? That f5.txt. f5.txt. Enter. Right. 1 minute. Sorry guys. Cat f5.txt. Enter. See guys, in the f5 earlier we don't have any data, but now this data is copied. This data is copied guys. From where it took the data? From f6.txt. From f6.txt guys. Okay. So now here observe carefully guys. Now observe carefully. Now I want to write some more data in the f5.txt guys. Okay. Now f6.txt. I am going to write some more data guys. How you will write? Cat double greater than f5.txt, f5.txt or f6.txt. In f6 only, I will write some data. Okay. Fine. Right, 1 minute, guys. And we will take some new file, guys. Cat Right here greater than, we have f4 empty file. Let me take f4.txt. f4.txt. Okay, here I am going to write some data, guys, like AWS is there, and EC2 is there, and S3 is there, RDS is there, some data, some dummy data I am taking. And a DynamoDB table, and DynamoDB is there, right, and a CloudWatch is there, CloudWatch is there, and the SQS is there, and the SNS is there, right, and we write EBS is there, right, EBS, right, so lambdas like this, some data I have taken in the f4.txt controls. Okay, perfect, guys. Now observe carefully. So now in the f4.txt file, what data is available? f4.txt. What here we have? See, guys, AWS, EC2, S3, RDS, DynamoDB, like this data is available. Okay, perfect. So now in the f5.txt file, what data is available? Cat f5.txt. Okay, this is the data is available. Now I want to add this data, f4.txt file, whatever the data is there, this data I want to add this data to f5.txt. Guys, I don't want override, just I want to append this data to f5.txt. f5.txt means I want both old data and new data in f5.txt. How you will get that? See, guys, now here cat f4.txt. What it will do? It will print this data. It will give this data, guys. Whatever the data this command is giving, that data I want append in f5.txt. f5.txt, guys. Okay. If you use a single greater than, then it will override. But I don't want override. I want append. For that, here we are using double greater than symbol. Now, whatever the output this command will give, so that output will be appended to this f5.txt file. Now enter. Okay, now you can check what data is available in f5. Let cat f5.txt. f5.txt. See, guys, and we have old data and new data is appended at here. Old data and new data both available in the f5.txt. Is it clear, guys? Cat command is clear. How to use the cat command is clear. By using cat command, we can print the data, and by using cat command, we can create the file with the data, guys. We can write the data also in the file. By using touch command, we can't able to write the data in the file. Just we can create empty files by using touch command. But by using cat command, you can print the data and you can write the data inside the file also by using cat command. Is it clear? Respond, guys. Is this clear? What about others?
Yes.
Now let me add these points in our notes. Right. So by using touch command, and we can create only empty files. Right. So now here create a single empty file. If you want to create single empty file, then you need to do that. Touch f1.txt. We need to use. Right. Create multiple empty files. For this, what we need to do here? See, guys, touch f1.f2.txt, right, f3.txt, space f4.txt. So like this, guys. With the space separator, you can create multiple files also. With the space separator, we can create multiple files, guys. Okay. So what is the purpose of cat command? By using cat command, a cat command will print the data. Right. Cat command, it will print the data on the terminal. Will print the data on terminal right, which is available inside file guys, which is available in the file, which is available in the file guys. What cat command is doing? Cat command will print the data on terminal which is available in the file. See guys, like this we need to use a cat command and a file name f1.txt, right? So it will print the data guys. Now you can use cat command f2.txt. It will print the data which is available inside the file. It will print the data which is available inside the file. Okay, so now whenever you have run f1.txt, right, immediately on the terminal only it will print like hello friends. Right, suppose your file contains this data, right? Hello friends. Hello friends, right? Welcome to AWS sessions. Welcome to AWS sessions. Like this, it will print the data which is available in f1.txt file. F1.txt file. Okay, so by using cat command, we can write the data inside the file. By using cat command, and we can write the data. We can write the data inside file. Inside file guys. How you will write guys? For this $cat command greater than file name, Suppose here I am taking f2.txt. Now inside this, write f2. One minute guys. Absolutely. Cat f2.txt. Right here, when I enter guys, here we will press the enter button. Now here I am going to write the data guys. Now here we need to write the data. Hello friends. Hello friends. Welcome to Linux sessions. So this is what I have written. Right now I want to save the data guys. I want to save the data. For that, here what you need to press? Right, Control C. Here you need to press Control C. Here I am writing one note guys. And one note I am writing it here. To save the file. Right, to save the data or to save the data and come out from the file. What we need to do here? Just we need to press Control C. We need to press Control C guys. Control plus C we need to press. With this, we can save the data and we can come out from the file. By using cat command, we can print the data which is available inside the file, and by using cat command, we can write the data also inside the file. Okay, is it clear guys? Next, after this, by using, if you want append the data, see guys, if you want append here to append the data with existing data inside file, inside the file. What we need to do here? Here we need to do like this case. See guys, here $cat double greater than, now here f2.txt. Here I am taking f2.txt. In the f2.txt, earlier already we have written this data. Right? Along with this, I want to append some more data. Then here we need to use double greater than, enter. Here I am going to write the data here guys. Now here, welcome to Java. Welcome to Java, I am taking it here. Welcome to Java. Here just press Control C. Control C guys. Press Control C. Okay. Right, guys, don't write this CTRL plus SC. Right, just we have the control button. Right, press that control button and press C button. You need to press, guys. Okay. Now here, right, guys. After this, I want to list out, guys. I want to list out all the files. Right, to list the files. To list the files, right, which are available in present working directory. For this here, what we are using? Simply, we will use ls command. What ls will do? It will print all the files. Here. Okay. Clear, guys? Up to here, cat command and touch command is clear. By using touch command, we are creating empty files only. We can't able to write the data inside file by using touch command. If you want to print the data which is available inside file, then we need to use cat command like this. Cat space file name. It will print the data which is available inside the file. Next, if you want to write the data inside the file, then we need to use cat, this greater than symbol and a file name. Right? Once you have written the data, I want to save this data inside the file and I want to come out from the file. For that, we need to press Control plus C. Guys. Right. If you want to append the data, guys, if you want to append the new data with existing data inside the file, then we need to use cat double greater than symbol we need to use. Single greater than is for overriding. Right? Double greater than is for appending. Okay. If you are not giving anything, just cat space file name, then it will print the data. Now, I want to list out all the files, whether it is directory file or text file in the present working directory. Then we need to use ls command. Guys. Okay. So now for ls command, we can apply multiple other options, guys. Along with ls command, we can apply different options. We'll see what options we can apply to the ls command is. What options we can apply to the ls commands, we'll see, guys. Okay. See, guys, observe carefully. Here what I am going to do, observe carefully, guys. Guys, here ls is there. It is printing all the files which are available in the present working directory. Here all are the text files only. Now let me create one more file, mkdir, right? Mk directory file I am creating, mkdir DevOps I am creating. Now here you can see ls, right? Ls you can see it here, guys. Now tell me, guys, how you can tell which file is the directory file and which file is the normal text file? How you can identify that? Guys? Guys, respond. How you can identify which file is the directory file and which file is the normal text file? Respond. I want response.
Directory is highlighted blue.
Pardon?
So your directory is highlighted blue.
Directory how?
Directory is highlighted. See your directory has the blue highlight, and then your files are not highlighted.
Okay, directory having some with the different color highlighted. Is that correct? No, guys.
That's how you do it.
No, it is not at all correct. By using colors, we can't able to tell whether it is the text file or directory file. That is wrong answer. We can't able to tell by using the colors. Right? How you can tell that? How you can identify that? No. Here we can't able to tell with this case.
After the file name .txt is there.
.txt is not mandatory, guys. .txt is not mandatory. Right? Even I can take like this also. Touch, right? F10 I am taking. This is also we can take ls. See, F10 will come. F10 is the normal text file only now. .txt is not mandatory. I told already.
When you do ls-l, right?
Very good, guys. Now here we need more information, guys. Right? With this information, we can't able to tell which one is the directory file and which one is the normal text file. I need more details about these files. I need more details about these files. Then I can tell what details you want, right? What details you want. To get the more details of the file, then we need to use ls-l command. Here, -l stands for long list. ls stands for list, guys. -l means what? Long list. See, guys, I want long list. I want long list, guys. Now here, enter. See, guys, here you are getting some more information. Then this file is created. Who is the owner of the file? Under which directory this file is created? Everything you are getting. Everything you are getting. Right, home EC2-user. The directory is EC2-user. In the EC2-user directory only we have created all the files. That's why this is the name of the directory. This is the name of the directory. Under this directory, all these files are created. So next, this one is the username. Username, guys. This is the username and this is the directory name. Okay. So now here you are getting the files. Now how you can tell which one is the directory file, which one is the normal text file? How you can tell? Guys, not based on the colors. Right. So here the beginning character in this line, what is the beginning? First character D. If the first character is D, if the beginning character is D, then that is the directory file. If the beginning character is hyphen, if the beginning character is hyphen, then this is the normal text file. Understood, guys? Right, with the first character we can tell whether it is a directory file or normal text file. You can't able to tell by using colors. By using colors we won't tell anything, guys. If you want, right, for these things also colors will get changed. Right, for these files also colors will, we can change the colors, guys. Right, so then you can't able to tell, guys. Then how you can identify? Right, that's why by using colors we can't able to tell whether it is a directory file or normal text file. We need to use first character. If first character is D, if it starts with D, then that is the directory file. If it starts with hyphen, then that is the normal text file, not by using colors. Here what we are doing is we are getting complete details of the files. What all these things says? What all these things? These are the permissions, guys. File permissions. We will discuss, right, file permissions concept later, guys. Now I'm not going to touch that part. Okay, I will explain what is the file permissions, what is R, what is W, what is X, and all those things we will discuss one by one, guys. But first you need to remember, if it starts with D, then that is the directory file. If it starts with hyphen, then that is the normal text file. After that, here this is the username and this is the group name. So this is the date and time, guys. Date and time. Okay, here, what option we applied for ls? For ls, we applied -l option. -l option we applied for ls. Now, is there any other options? Yes, we can, guys. Yes, we can apply. See here, first you are getting DevOps, F10, F2, F3, F4, F5. I want reverse the, guys. I want reverse. I want to get in reverse order, guys. For that, ls-lr. ls-lr. See, guys, first you are getting F6. Last you are getting DevOps, guys. We reverse it, guys. We reverse that by using LR option. Reverse long list. Reverse long list, guys. This is long list. So this is what? Reverse long list, guys. Okay. I want to get with the timestamps. I want to get with the timestamps, guys. For that, ls, right, hyphen lt, ls hyphen lt. See, guys, you are getting with the timestamp. Right, the latest one is F10 we have created. Before that we have created DevOps. Before that F5, F4, like that we have created these files. We are getting with the timestamp. Long list with the timestamp. Right, long list with the timestamp. I want long list with the timestamp with reverse, guys. All options I want to apply. So then ls-ltr, ls-ltr in reverse order, right? So with the timestamp, you will get the lines, long list, guys. Enter. See, guys. So like this, you will get it here. Like this, you will get it here. Right, guys? Like this, for ls, you can apply multiple options. For ls, you can apply multiple options, guys. Right. I want to see what options are there. See guys, help command we have. Help command is there. Help space command name. Help space command name. If you give like this, it will give the document of this ls command. Help command will provide the document for the given command. Here what command I have given? ls. For this ls command, I want to know more details. How this one, right? How we will use this? What options we can apply? I want all those details. I want one document for ls. Then you can use help command. Help ls. It will provide the complete document of the ls. Enter.
Dash L.
The ls dash help.
Very good. Very good. See guys, here we are getting complete details, guys. Here we are getting the details. Here what options we can apply, right? Hyphen T, right? Hyphen capital T, hyphen U, right? C, hyphen V, right? Like this. We can apply the, right? I apply all these options to the ls command, guys. ls command, we can apply all these options, guys. Okay. See, hyphen R means reverse, right? Hyphen capital R means recursive. Size. Q means quote name. See guys. So you are getting complete details, guys. You can go through this. You can go through this document, guys. Okay, like this, we can apply multiple options for the ls command. Okay, perfect. Perfect, guys. Right. So now, let me add this ls also. Let me add this ls part also in our notes. And here we have ls command. Next, to get the long list. To get the long list guys, long list of files, long list of files. For this here, what we need to do here, dollar ls hyphen l, ls hyphen l. Right. Next here, I want to get in reverse order. To get reverse order guys. To get reverse long files, reverse long list. To get reverse long list. For this here, what we can do? Dollar, right? ls hyphen lr guys. Okay. Right, to get a reverse long list with the timestamp. Right, to get a reverse long list, right, with the timestamp. With timestamp. For this here, what we need to do? Dollar ls hyphen ltr. Guys, this order is not important. LTR, LRT, TLR, RLT, you can use anything, guys. You can use any order at here. Okay? You will get everything, guys. Fine. Perfect, guys. Perfect. So now observe carefully. Guys. And here, cat f4.txt file is available. Here what we have? AWS, EC2, S3, RDS, DynamoDB, CloudWatch. This data is available. Right here, I want to print in reverse order, guys. I want to print in reverse order. Then which command we need to use? Here inside f4.txt file, whatever the data it is present printing, I want reverse this data. Then which command we need to use? Anyone? I think most of the people, right? Some of the people are there who knows Linux commands already.
Can you say that again?
What is
the
it?
question?
ls dash r.
No. ls-r we will use to list out, right? To reverse the file names, guys. File names. But here, I don't want reverse the file names. Tag command we need to use. Tag command. And here, we are using cat, right? We are using cat. Reverse this cat. CAT cat. TAC tag. By using tag command, we can reverse the content which is available inside the file. Right? So I want to reverse the content which is available inside the file. For that, we can use the tag command, TAC tag f4.txt. And inside the f4.txt file, whatever the data is there, that data it will print in reverse order. See guys, earlier lambda is the last one. Now lambda first, EBS, SNS, SQS, CloudWatch, Dynamo, RDS, S3, EC2, AWS. right? The data which is available inside the file. I want reverse that data. For that we are using tag command. Tag command we are using it here. Okay. So next one more command, guys. One more command. Here by using cat command, what we can do, guys? By using cat command, we can print the data, guys. We can print the data f4.txt. f4.txt. Okay. 1 minute. Let me add a few more data, guys. Cat f4.txt. Let me add some more data. Lambdas is there. Next here, elastic beanstalk. Elastic beanstalk is there. So next I am going to add this one. Code commit is there. Code commit is there. Next I am going to add serverless computing. Serverless computing. Right. Next I will add auto scaling. Auto scaling I'm adding. Next I want to add so some DevOps related. DevOps. Right. I want to add Maven. Right. GitHub. Right. Jenkins. Right. Jenkins. Right. Now here CI/CD, and I want to add right, Terraform. Right. Ansible, right. Docker, right. Kubernetes, right. Prometheus, Grafana, ELK, Sonar, Nexus, etc. Just in case I want more content inside the file. That's all. Right. Now here controls. Fine. So now you can check cat f4.txt. See guys, right? This data is available inside the file. Right? All this data is available inside the file. Right? Which command you are using to print the data? Cat command we are using print the data, guys. Now we have one more command. One more command is there. What is that? Head command. Head command also is available. f4.txt. Head command also will print the data. Head command also will print the data same like cat command. Then what is the difference between these two? And if purpose is same, why we have two commands with different names? Right, whatever the cat command is doing, same thing that head command also will do. Then why we have two separate commands? Respond, guys. No, guys. No, there was some difference. What is the difference? Cat command will print complete data which is available in the file. Cat command will print complete data right from top to bottom which is available inside the file. But head command not like that. Head command will print only first 10 lines. By default, it will print first 10 lines only. First 10 lines of the file only it will print, guys. Now, first 10 lines means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to lambdas only it will print. Let me check. Enter. See guys, up to lambdas only it is printing. Cat head command will print right only first 10 lines. First 10 lines, guys. No man, I want 15 lines. Is there any option? Right, I want to print the first 15 lines. Right, if you use cat command, it is printing everything. It is printing. Maybe a file contains 100 lines. Cat command will print all 100 lines. But if you use head command like this, it is printing only 10 lines. But I want 15 lines. First 15 lines I want to print. Then what we need to do? We can apply some options to the head command. How you will apply? Head space -n. -n stands for number of lines. -n stands for number of lines. I want 15 lines. I want 15 lines. Top 15 lines I want from f4.txt file. From this f4.txt file, I want to print 15 lines. Enter. Now see guys, earlier you got up to lambdas only. Now you are getting 5 more lines. 5 more lines you are getting it here. 5 more lines you are getting it here. So like this, you can apply -n option to get a particular number of lines. If you are not using -n, it will print only first 10 lines only. First 10 lines. Okay. So now here, observe carefully. Here by using tag command, we are using tag command. By using tag command, what we are doing, we are printing, right, data in reverse order. Tag f4.txt. Tag f4.txt. We are printing like this. Okay. So now, if you use head command will print the first 10 lines by default. Now, if I want to print the last 10 lines by default, what we need to do, guys? Here, tag command is reversing, guys. Tail command will not reverse. Cat, right here, f4.txt. Right, this is the actual order, guys. Right, whenever we use the tail command, what it will do? It will print the last 10 lines, guys. By default, tail command will print last 10 lines. It won't reverse. Tail command is not going to do reversing, guys. Just it is printing last 10 lines of the file. Right, now, let me do that tail command. Tail, right, f4.txt. See, guys, what it is doing? Right here, last 10 lines means it will start from CI/CD to till Nexus. Here also, CI/CD to Nexus, it is printing. Last 10 lines, it is printing. I want last 15 lines. Then what we need to do? You can apply -n option. -n, 15 lines I want to print. 15 line I want to print. For this, see, guys, here you are getting last 15 lines. Okay, guys, in real time, in the companies, right? So these head command, tail commands are useful. These head command and tail commands are useful in the real time. Is it required, guys? Can anyone respond? That head command, tail commands are required in the real time. If it required, where we will use these things? In which scenario we will use these head commands, tail commands in real time? Regularly we will use.
In reviewing logs.
Very good. If you want to see the log files, then we will go for this head command and tail commands only. Your log file may contain 1,000 lines. Your log file may contain 1,000 files. Latest logs always come at the bottom. Guys. Now, I want to see the latest logs. If you want to see the latest logs, bottom 10 lines if you want to see, then which command you need to use? Tail command. f4.txt I will use. Right now, I will get last 10 lines. But in that 10 lines, I am not getting the required information. I need some more information. Maybe I need to see 5 to 10 more lines extra. That from last 10 lines you are getting. On top of the 10 lines, I want to see 5 to 10 lines more extra. Then I may get more information. In that case, tail -n, right, how many number of lines you want to get, so that number and file name you can give. If you want to see last 20 lines, then -n 20 if you give, you will get 20 lines and you can see the logs. Okay, so like that. To see the log files, we will use this head command and tail commands in real time. Right, these two commands will help a lot in the real time to check the logs in the log files, guys. Sometimes your log file may contain thousands of lines also. In that case, if you want to get, right, from last 15 lines, 20 lines, 30 lines, this 10 tail command will help. If you want to get top 10 lines, 20 lines, then head command will help. Okay, so this is the right use of head commands. Right. -n, if you are not using -n, right? See here, can I use directly? Like this, guys? Tail, right? Tail here. I'm not using -n. 20 f4.txt. See, guys, what it is telling? What is tail cannot open, right, 20 for reading, guys. No such file or directory you are getting. See here, -n represent number of lines. -n represent number of lines. If you want to specify the number like this, before that you need to use -n option. If you remove this part completely, then it will print last 10 lines only like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is not considering your number. It is telling cannot open 20 for reading like this. It is telling. Okay. It is not opening, guys. It is not opening. Is it clear? You are saying without hyphen, without n, just you will give hyphen like this. Right. See guys, you are getting. You can use guys. Okay. Here like this also you can use hyphen. You can use hyphen 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines, right? Hyphen 20 you can use, or else hyphen n space number also you can do. Anything is fine. Anything is fine, guys. Okay. So let me add these points also in our notes. Let me add this head command, tail command, tag command also in our notes, guys. Here, to print the data from bottom to top, guys. To print the data from bottom to top, which is available inside the file. Which is available inside file. What we need to use? Dollar tag command f4.txt. f4.txt we need to use this. Okay. Next, we are using head command. What head command will do? Head command is here by using head command. By using head command. By using head command. 1 minute. Let me take this in. By using head command also, we can print the data. We can print the data from top 10 lines. From top 10 lines. By using head command also we can print the data from top to bottom, or else you can take from top to bottom. From top to bottom. Take like this. I will add that extra point. This wait. And here head command, head, and here file name we are giving f4.txt. f4.txt. Right. So now here let me add one node here. Node here I am adding. By default, right, head command will print. Head command will print first 10 lines of the file only. First, right, 10 lines of the file only. First 10 lines of the file only it will print it. Okay. To print a specific number of lines from top. To print specific number of lines from top case. Then what you need to do here you need to specify like this: dollar head command, right, hyphen n, right, how many number of lines you want? I want 15 lines, right, in f4.txt file. Okay. So next is to print the last 10 lines of the file. To print last 10 lines of the file. Right, last 10 lines of the file. Then what we need to do use? And here we need to use tail command, guys. And here tail, and here file name you need to use this. File name, 1 minute, guys. ఎందుకు right, here tail and file name we will give it here, guys. Tail file name we will give it here. So now here, see guys, note, let me take one note here. Note, by default tail command will print last 10 lines of the file. Last 10 lines of the file. Last 10 lines of the file. Okay, if you want to print last 20 lines, to print last 20 lines, what we need to do here? To print the last 20 lines, see guys, tail -n 20 file name f4.txt guys, f4.txt. Okay, next please. One more command guys, one more command is there, so that is word count guys. I want to print total number of lines, total number of words, total number of characters guys. I want to print total number of lines, right, number of words, right, number of characters. Then which command we will use? And here we will use WC. WC stands for what? Word count guys. WC stands for word count command we need to use. Word count, and here file name we need to give. At f4.txt guys. It will print, and in the f4.txt file, total how many number of lines are available, how many number of words are available, how many number of characters are available, it will print guys. See guys here. And here I am going to use WC at f4.txt. Enter. See guys, in that f4.txt file, total we have 28 lines, and total we have 32 words, and total we have 222 characters. In this f4.txt file, total 28 lines are available, 32 words are available, 222 characters are available guys. Like this, it will print everything guys. WC command will print the number of lines, number of words, and the number of characters. Is it clear guys? Is this clear? Whatever we discussed in today's session, everything is clear? What we discussed in today's session guys? What we discussed in today's session? And here we discussed how to remove the directory files guys, and we discussed how to create the normal text files by using touch command and cat command we discussed guys. And vi command we'll discuss guys. We'll discuss tomorrow session, we'll discuss vi command. Right? So after that we discussed what is head command, what is tag command, what is tail command, what is WC command, and what is ls command, what are the different options we can apply for the ls command. All these things we discussed in today's session guys. Right? Tomorrow we have the session guys. Tomorrow we will discuss this vi command guys. What is this vi, and how to create the files by using vi, and all those things we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Anyone have any questions in today's session? Please. Anyone have any questions in today's session? Head command, tail command, tag command, WC command, vi command, not vi, touch command, right, cat command, right, rmdir command, rm-r command. Anyone have any questions? Word count. WC stands for word count. WC stands for word count. No questions? Fine. Thank you guys. Tomorrow we have the session. Guys. Same time we have the session. Saturday, tomorrow we have the session guys. Tomorrow we will discuss few more commands guys. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Tomorrow we will correct. Thank you.
I got a quick question. In regards to the so do you actually send out the session? I know you're gonna put it on, somewhere so you can access it. Do you send it to our emails as well, or I want to know because I haven't received anything from you yet. I want to make sure my email you have.
What I want to mention?
These sessions that you record, right?
Yeah.
You don't send it to anybody, right? Like you just have it on you don't send it to anybody, right? On the email, right? You don't send this to us, right? Through email, right? The sessions.
Sessions I want to share through email.
You do?
No, it's not possible. We need to zip. Again, it will go to the drive only, right? So it is lengthy, right? Recording sessions are lengthy, right?
Okay, okay.
So again, it will, right? You need to take from the drive only. These are two lengthy files, right?
It's too big, right? You can't
Yeah.
send it through. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Fine. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow we will discuss a few more commands, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Recording stopped.